The next button that we have is remark component. So if I wanted to change the name of a component from one mark to another, I use the remark component. But to do that, you want to select something in your tree that you might want to rename to fill a gap, which is the only reason why I would tend to use it. However, you might want to rename or shuffle a couple of components. Let's just say for component number 65, if I wanted to move that to component number 67 for the plates in my marks, I would select the component, then remark component. And if I use the button on the left, copy selected component, or you can copy selected marks project number and type your own. I tend to use the copy selected mark and then I change it to what I need. So if I wanted to make that 67, if you select a mark that already exists, then you will be notified that that mark exists and you cannot change it. Now, if you change this so that it doesn't fit within your marking system, you will have issues with your marks from this point on when you add new items. So you want to make sure that your marking system flows through what you've got, and don't change it here, but maintain the marking flow. If I click on set mark, that will rename that component, which is a 500 by 6 plate, from 65 to 67. And it will do a reconsolidation in that process. I find that using the remark will help fill gaps when you've changed lots of items and you don't particularly want to remove them from the consolidation pane and reconsolidate, or simply just want to fill a gap. That's what remarking is all about. So while it goes through the consolidation process, it will update that component's custom properties to the new mark and update the database in that process. So if I scroll back down now and look at the plate, it's now become 67. And if I select the component, which is this plate here on my head box,